If you are researching business banking options and you keep seeing Relay Bank pop up, one important question usually comes first: is Relay Bank actually a US bank? In this video, I will answer that clearly and then break down what Relay Bank really is, how it works, and whether it is a good choice if you are looking to open a business checking account in the United States. Let us start with the direct answer. Relay Bank is not a traditional brick-and-mortar US bank. However, it is a US-based financial technology company that provides business banking services through FDIC-insured partner banks in the United States. That distinction matters especially if you care about account safety, compliance, and legitimacy. Relay Financial is headquartered in the United States and is designed specifically for U.S. small businesses, startups, freelancers, and online businesses. Even though Relay itself is not a chartered bank, it operates fully within the U.S. banking system and follows U.S. financial regulations. Now, let us talk about the most important concern for many people: safety and FDIC insurance. When you open a Relay business checking account, your money is held at FDIC-insured partner banks. This means your funds are protected up to the standard FDIC limit of $250,000 per depositor per bank. From a practical standpoint, your money receives the same level of protection as it would at a traditional U.S. bank. So while Relay is not a bank by charter, it offers U.S. FDIC-insured business banking, which is what most business owners truly care about. Next, let us look at who Relay Bank is designed for. Relay focuses on small business owners who want simple, modern online banking without unnecessary fees. It is especially popular among e-commerce sellers, digital agencies, consultants, and remote-first businesses. If you run an online business and rarely need to visit a physical branch, Relay is built for that lifestyle. One of Relay's biggest selling points is its fee structure. Relay offers a no monthly fee business checking account. There are no minimum balance requirements, and there are no overdraft fees. For many business owners, avoiding hidden banking fees is a major buyer decision factor, and Relay performs very well in this area. Another standout feature is the ability to create multiple checking accounts under one business. You can open up to 20 checking accounts at no extra cost. This is extremely useful if you want to separate funds for taxes, payroll, operating expenses, or specific projects without opening multiple bank relationships. Relay also offers debit cards for team members. You can issue debit cards to employees or contractors and control spending limits directly from the dashboard. For businesses managing expenses across teams, this level of control can be a major advantage. Now let us talk about how Relay compares to traditional U.S. banks. Traditional banks often require in-person visits, charge monthly maintenance fees, and offer limited digital tools. Relay, on the other hand, is fully online and mobile-first. Account setup is done remotely, and the dashboard is clean, modern, and easy to use. Relay integrates with popular accounting software like QuickBooks and Xero, which makes bookkeeping and reconciliation much easier. If you value automation and real-time financial visibility, Relay has a strong edge over many legacy banks. However, there are a few limitations you should know before opening an account. Relay does not offer cash deposits. If your business handles a lot of physical cash, Relay may not be the best fit. It is designed primarily for digital transactions such as ACH transfers, wire transfers, and card payments. Relay also does not offer lending products like business loans or credit lines. If you are looking for financing directly from your bank, you may need to combine Relay with another financial institution. That said, many business owners use Relay as their main operating account while using a separate bank for loans or cash services. This hybrid approach is quite common. Now, let us answer the buyer intent question clearly: should you open a Relay Bank business account? If you are a US-based business owner looking for a free business checking account, modern online banking tools, FDIC insurance, and strong expense management features, Relay is a very solid option. It is especially attractive if you run an online or service-based business and do not need physical branches. On the other hand, if you need cash deposits, in-person banking, or built-in lending services, a traditional U.S. bank may still be necessary. So, is Relay Bank a U.S. bank? Relay is a U.S.-based financial platform that provides FDIC-insured business banking through U.S. partner banks. It is fully legitimate, compliant with U.S. regulations, and widely used by American small businesses. Before choosing any business banking solution, always consider how you receive money, how you pay expenses, and what financial tools you need to grow. Relay may not be a traditional bank, but for many modern businesses, it offers exactly what they are looking for. If you are comparing business checking accounts and want simplicity, transparency, and no monthly fees, Relay Bank is definitely worth serious consideration.